Bitcoin to $300,000 or $10,000. J.P. Morgan was warned of something worse than recession. J.P. Morgan Jamie Dimon warned clients on a conference call of something worse than recession in the Sharon's economy. Diamond believed the likelihood of something worse than economic slowdown is 20%. J.P. Morgan cautioned of something more terrible than a downturn. Jamie Dimon, CEO of J.P. Morgan, told clients in a new telephone call that there are strong miss ahead. This suggests in spite of the ongoing strong condition of the U.S. economy, something more terrible than a downturn is possible. Dimon accepts the probability of a gentle downturn is a 20% to 13%. An extreme downturn has comparable change as the Federal Reserve expanded financing costs. Quantitative easing and the macroeconomic viewpoint point towards something more terrible than a downturn in the U.S. economy. While downturn cloud back the economy, the leader of the World Bank is in total agreement as Diamond and remarked on high expansion. Skybright Capital predicts Bitcoin value rally to $300,000. Skybright Capital, an investment management organization, as of late anticipates a Bitcoin value rally to $300,000. Anthony Scaramucci, organizer and overseeing a conflict at Worldwide Research, the executive firm Skybright Capital has a bullish point of view toward Bitcoin and Ethereum. Scaramucci accepts to beat the Bitcoin cost cloud revitalized to $300,000 inside the following 12 to 2 years. The organizer cleared up for financial backer that the world's biggest digital currency is set to hit $3,100 in the long haul, hence they ought to unwind and remain long haul. Bitcoin price is the head $300,000 or $10,000. Nico, a crypto analyst and trader, noted that the Bitcoin price has plummeted $22,000 in the going bearish cycle. This level is key to the BTC price rally, as is the cumulative average break-even of all Bitcoin holders at $22,000. Draining crypto experts contend that Bitcoin cost experience a downfall each September 4 years straight. It is not yet clear where BTC is going in September of 2022. However, this recommends the going negative run probably won't be finished. Thank you. See you.